character now.
So what does it do? Multi. Multifunctional, 2 event, blah blah. Okay.
Stun canister, cool.
How are we even gonna play this? Transport mode, okay.
Oh, he's got 2 different kinds of guns.
Yeah, okay. What I don't understand about this game is like, how are you supposed to progress? Just by getting good?
Well, by getting the items and doing that kind of stuff.
Yeah,
I mean,
but like,
one part is getting good, so like, you know, the Imp Overlord, we've never faced him, so we don't know what the fuck
yeah,
he
but
does.
that wasn't the problem. The problem was these all the other dudes.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, I don't know how to get good at dealing with spam, you know?
Yeah.
It's not about learning the mechanics or anything.
But we should maybe play on easy, because it'll make it easier for us to get to level 3, and if we get level 3 done, we get Huntress as well.
Yeah, but
That's actually a fair point.
yeah,
We've
but I don't really like characters. Like,
Yeah, but characters will make it more interesting as a team, because if we're all commando, we all do the same thing, right?
yeah, but there's no like synergy abilities or anything. Everything is just like, this game can be played solo, so there's no team play really built into the game.
Well, not in the same way.
Every ability does damage or personal survivability.
Yeah.
Play one more then.
On easy?
I went
Sure.
for easy. With Drizzle. Come on, Multi. See what you can do.
For hardcore players, you will die.
Oh.
Yeah, he's so slow. Oh my
Damn.
god.
But he's got the transport mode.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit! Oh, almost fell
That
off.
is really
So actually, if you fall off, you don't auto die. You just spawn back on base with like, or on the planet with less
I'm
HP.
not-
Wow, he's slow. Holy shit.
I'm not sure how I like his left.
You can switch.
Oh, you.
That's pretty nice sniperish thing.
There's a couple equipment canisters for damage and stuff here.
Yeah, that's nice.
Ocular HUD must be really good on him, no?
But
Oh damn. Okay, that's what I died to when I had like died to the orbs.
Hmm?
There's one flying guy. He attaches orbs to you, and if you shift, you like get rid of them. But if you don't, they explode.
Hmm.
And that's what killed me, because all 3 of them detonate at the same time. Oh. Reddit. This would be a cool ability for Bastion.
What?
The transport mode.
Yeah, you just turn the tank treads on, press Q, man. Jesus Christ.
Gain a recharging shield.
hey, I got the cool shades, guys.
Oh, that's like the most badass.
They also have like an ocular hat. Oh god, hello there.
And your right click stuff.
It sure does.
Here's the teleporter up here.
So,
On my way.
Do you want me to just trigger?
Yeah, I suppose. Wait a little bit, actually.
Alright, I'll just activate the shrine then.
Find, right, find some.
Slow down. He is right, really slow.
Even if you sprint, like, does it get slower, faster? No, wait. Oh,
I'm sorry.
that sounded weird.
That
Spit
was
take.
that was a sneeze. Trying to.
Oh, I want to activate the thing. Okay.
I did already.
Oh. Oh, the crit! Oh, the crits!
Oh my
Holy
god!
shit, the crits! Activated ocular HUD and then just went crazy.
This banner like makes us more.
Damage.
Felix, pick up your item.
On it.
Shitty item.
World War Stealth isn't shitty. Well, I mean, it's not the best item.
I mean,
The barrier thing when I took damage actually saved my life last game.
a fairy thing.
Oh, I got the laser thingy. The electrocution ball. It has a 2-minute cooldown, dude.
Yeah. How do you
But
just get all this good stuff? I want good stuff.
I got from the Shrine of Chance.
But okay.
So, luck me.
No, yeah.
Oh, in Jesus.
I mean, like, is it more luck than anything else in this game, really? All right then.
Should I go through?
Jumped off the cliff. I tweeted that.
Abandoned Aqueduct. Is that new?
What's this soda can? What does that do?
Oh, okay then. Once.
I do think I like this guy more than Commando though.
More your kind of character.
I mean, kind of similar. A little bit slower.
What's the like skull thing in the sky over there?
I was seeing this whole thing this guy.
The guy we're shooting?
Yeah.
Got a loss.
What the hell?
Should use the sniper for killing this thing.
Oh god, that's gonna be annoying.
Where's this thing? Oh god, okay. Shouldn't have done that.
Hello. Oh, for fuck's sake.
I feel like I should join you guys. Oh wait, they actually aren't.
Yeah, I'm stuck over here.
What do you get from the Shrine of Combat when you finish it?
By now.
Nothing.
Nothing!
No,
it's just for like gold and stuff.
yeah, it's just so you can get more gold, so you can buy stuff.
Well, if I find any fucking chest, maybe.
We should try and find the porter so we get the easy and then medium on the second
Agree.
run. Have we been in this biome before?
No, that's what I was saying.
Not this particular map, no.
Get an extra jump.
Hey, I got the energy thing. So.
Felix, do you have gasoline or what?
Oh. There's a lot of banners everywhere. Nice.
Oh, we've been here before.
Oh yeah, we have. Maybe we started at a different place.
Yeah. Ah, they changed it. Right. Hey, the usually like.
What does it do?
I don't know.
No.
I don't think it does anything.
And his music was electric, so maybe shock damage?
Oh, missile drone. Okay. Yeah.
We're running out of time to find this. Using my double jump to just jump around and see if I can get the vantage point. Ah, there it is. I'm gonna go activate it.
Okay, coming to where you are.
It's where you fought the queens and died.
You say that like I'm supposed to remember where that was.
Alright, activating.
Mm-hmm. Greater West.
Ah, here. Okay.
Horde of many.
Greater West.
No, I think so.
It's basically those skull things we were fighting before. Just
Cool.
dodge out of there like,
Well, that's the downside. I can't really dodge.
yeah, then it's gonna be a bit of a challenge actually.
But this guy doesn't have dodge. He just has that.
They're pretty weak though.
Yeah. Well, this is Grizzle, not whatever. Not one.
There's too many dudes.
I'm not taking any damage. I feel like.
No, I mean the damage multiplier is low as hell, but
My god, you guys shred when you turn that shit on. Holy moly. Boss is done and accounted for.
hey, missiles. Oop, oop. I picked up two by mistake. Sorry.
Oh wait, I don't know.
Yeah, Felix took it.
I did like a little slidey thing. Like no.
I love how the music like fades out if you go out of the red bubble.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it does.
Oh, you're right. It goes more in the background.
Yeah.
Let me think something big to shoot.
Take to it. What do you get when you stay in the banners?
Damage boost, I think.
Damage. No.
Gonna open a chest, but I'm ready to go.
Yeah, we're activated.
Ah, fuck. No wonder I couldn't fucking.
Rally point Delta.
Oh, it's this place.
Give me some fucking lunar shit.
I see it. I see it. It's by the signal tower where I'm going. Straight up ahead. Oh. Man, you guys do so much damage. Fucking railguns, man. Armor piercing rounds is good, Felix.
Oh yeah.
You have the crit thing too, don't you?
I think so. Yeah, I do.
Oh yeah, move fast out of combat. That's actually kind of useful in this guy.
Should we just grind a bit until we find some stuff, or?
We could.
Because we're right at where the thing is.
Damn. Not just a dam, it's a holy dam. Oh, cause I got the rocket thing as well.
Sprint faster. Nice. You're just like sniping people left and right.
Oh, very nice. Let's go then.
Get the fuck bison. Happiest mask.
Go trigger, guys.
Ah.
It's right there under the platform.
Oh, I don't see it. Oh, it's there. I'm blind.
Alright. One ceramic dude and strider guy. I think we can do that. Oh my god. It's fucking going down.
Oh.
Daka, 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 daka.
Oh god, I'm
Okay.
being pulled in.
I assume that you don't want to go in there.
I assume so. Yeah, the damage is way less one higher mode.
Ukuleles for
Did you already have one too?
No.
I had one.
Oh,
But
well,
it's
I'm the
fine.
only one without one.
Then you probably shocked the fuck out of people now, though.
Is that what it does though, or?
I think so, but I'm not sure.
'Cause I feel like the ukulele is just like a funny thing. Maybe I'm.
Ukuleles for
They were all clustered together, so. Who has this ghost guy?
I do. I have
I just
lost
love how
stuff.
you interrupted yourself like, yup. I just did that.
Like the. Oh, what do you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like I was like, hey, the thing, and I didn't realize they were all like clumped together.
Warrior! Oh, you have to do it without dying. Oh.
Like I didn't realize how they were so close together, so I just took the first and like, oh fuck, there's two right next to it with my speed boost. Naturopath. Oh, Abyssal Depths.
Tectonic relics.
Nice, nothing.
Massive demon boy.
You remember how I said the teddy bear blocks damage sometimes? Every time it does like a squeaky sound.
Oh no.
Okay, so we need to explode. Here's the thing. Where I am.
Where's this thing that costs 321? That
Yeah, I
drone.
saw it.
Do it.
What's this? I'm never anything to kill over here.
I'm very scared over going over this place.
Corona bobble.
What's shooting me?
There's these chimney looking dudes.
In the ground.
I don't see them.
Well, actually, I don't know what
They make a sound, like they make a very distinct sound when they walk around.
Well,
Well, if you guys want to come, I have the thing.
How do we get to where you are?
Just walk.
I don't see you on them, but
He's
over
down
there.
there.
Oh. Okay, it's fine. Oh, too many enemies, man.
And now I don't know how to get down. You walked back the way you came up, Hugo?
Yes.
Okay. Damn it. Oh no. Oh. Oh shit.
Okay, no, that's my chance. So how did it? Okay, over there. Oh, a lunar thing. Nice. Shaped glasses. Double your damage, but halve your health. Great.
I mean, you're a glass cannon now.
Yeah. I mean, with a crit and my nail gun, it's gonna do 6 damage though.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Did you activate it?
Not yet. Alright, let's do it now, yeah? Stone Titan. The
Double damage, baby.
Oh my god, you do so much damage! Holy shit!
Yeah, deal 5,000 damage in one shot. Cool.
I also threw in the
Banner. Yeah, me too.
combobulator.
Well then.
Wow. Okay. 15%. Okay.
They're all mine. No, just kidding.
Wait, what's down there? Oh, right.
Oh yeah, the best item.
And we have missile drones as well. Like
I put on my crit thing and then just I forgot I'm losing a lot of health. There's a lot of gold we should walk around and.
I have 1,000.
Yeah, me too. Oh, is the thing not? Oh, it's still not finished.
Nope.
There's a lot of things over here.
We have a lot of drones wrecking havoc too.
Let's pick up some of these chests before we move on.
Oh, let me get more than one.
Yeah. Turret.
Help me.
Oh, these are all turrets. Fuck. Ooh, attack speed.
I don't want turrets. Yeah.
Oh, is that one of those? Yeah, there sure is. You took the chest.
Tell me when you
Hey,
get it done. I'll try.
Energy drink, sprint faster. Missiles. I mean, I'm pretty much done, I think.
Me too.
Before
Let me
then.
just-
Oh, sorry, I feel like.
No worries. I couldn't find any other chests anyway.
Distant roost.
Loop back to the
Deja vu.
first stage.
Very nice.
And
The amulet.
oh, we kept our drones, right?
There's a lot of them.
Everything costs so much now.
True.
Stun grenade. Very cool.
Oh, increased attack speed. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the thing?
I don't know.
We're approaching insane territory.
Probably maybe in that other tunnel then.
Or upstairs.
I'm looking upstairs right now. Oh, what is this? Damage chest. Oh, now the missile turret.
Oh, nice.
Whoa. Teleporter doesn't seem to be upstairs. No.
Ran right into it.
Actually moving quite fast now with all these boost items. Oh no! There's a fly item there, guys. If you want it.
Yeah, but I want my.
Martin, you should get the wings.
Where is it?
Oh yeah.
Where is up there?
Right next to me.
Flying up to see. I can't find the thing. Is it not upstairs? Are you sure?
I mean, no, we're talking about the same upstairs.
Where we had the first fights before.
Yeah, no, it wasn't there. Pretty sure.
Well, where I am, it isn't. That's for sure. And I am upstairs.
30 minutes? Oh yeah, this takes a long time.
Where is that?
Where is it?
Ah, it's probably over there.
No, I checked.
No, you see it over there?
Oh, on the different.
Oh, maybe no, that's where I went.
Did you?
Yeah. No. Double check, I suppose.
And now we got nothing to lose.
Well,
Oh, there's
level
still,
7 is
still,
another
there's,
guy,
there's still another thing.
Money.
It's closed.
Yeah, usually that's open. At the beginning. Ah, here it is. It's just further down from where you were, Hugo.
Okay.
It's a little ledge.
Oh, I suppose.
So come here, guys.
Oh yeah, you can drive into people already. I forgot. Oh. Okay. Yeah, fair enough.
Alright. Trigger.
Malachite jellyfish.
Where is it?
Up
Probably
top?
up there.
Where is it?
Don't know, I can't see it.
Defeat the
Defeat
teleport
what?
boss
Wasn't
in 15 seconds.
Get itself.
Good job, guys. We're amazing.
Get it.
We're an amazing team.
Early access.
Hey, we got an achievement for defeating.
Man, I want to do my OP fucking machine gun bullshit.
Well, we can still go. Oh, next is impossible.
I'm sure it's not actually impossible.
Or maybe it's impossible. Oh, we need to enter teleport zone.
Maybe it's improbable. No, can't.
No,
Impossible.
impossible to fail, maybe?
There's rewards at the teleport zone.
Oops. Yeah.
You can stand up here and still be in the bubble.
Oh, we just need to get percentage up. I'll click it as soon as we get it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you go on a go find chests?
No, I think
We found
most of the
everything,
shit.
I think. 1500 fucking gold.
1200.
1600. Wow, I do a lot of damage. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and you have half health.
True, but I mean, I had nothing but damage here, so it's so far so good.
And teleport.
Alright, go.
On it. Pew.
Origin of Tar. There it goes.
We're on impossible now.
My comments like, I see you. The difference in difficulty was pretty major.
True that.
Zero coin. With the electric guitar, that's like
Maybe.
shocking you.
What is this? I want it. No, Mike. Go away.
The damage I'm doing either got way less, or the enemies got a lot.
And I Lewis. I mean, we're almost in ICU territory, we should probably find out for.
True.
Let's walk around a little bit.
I stun almost permanently now with my gun.
That's good.
Yeah, I have a lot of stun. I swear.
I have really good sprint speed, so I'm just gonna run and find everything. It's here. It's here.
Coming.
Do you want me to activate? I can activate.
Yeah,
Yeah, you might as well.
we're still in impossible before we get into ICU.
Where is it, man?
It's further up here. I have such good sprint speed.
Pretty fast
Activate.
myself.
Stun Titan, fuck him up. Oh my god, boys.
Oh fuck, laser.
Oh gosh. Oh, yeah, I should actually do the mechanics.
Still.
Daka,
That's
daka,
one
daka, daka.
down. More Daka!
Oh, there's more.
Let's try a little bit closer.
I'm flying around. Woohoo!
Stone Titan, die! Perish at our bullets.
So fucking easy now.
You could tell it was getting more difficult.
Yeah, that's true.
But if we do stage 7, we get another guy, right?
Think so, but I don't remember. There's a item around the boss thing.
Yeah, good one. Level up.
God, I'm fast.
Oh, I'm going. Got no choice in the matter.
Oh, there's a lunar coin thing here.
No!
God damn you, Hugo. I can't jump.
I'm
Wrong
gonna
direction.
fly up and see if I can find it. Alright, I don't see it yet.
Supposed to have to drop down here.
1500 for this.
Nope, you did not. Okay.
What happened?
No,
Just
if
gonna
you
find a way out.
shift it off of it, you can do it.
Sorry?
If you sprint mode it off of it.
Yeah. I didn't see that it was on ground. More Daka! Damn.
Not doing as much damage as I was before.
I feel like I'm still doing. Well, I think I'm doing twice double damage still, so.
Yeah.
Kind of forgot.
I mean, you always do double what I do. Yeah.
Pretty much. Okay. Oh, this looks nice. Do I have enough money?
3D
No, not
printer.
quite. That's a boss!
My running is so fast, I'm basically in like ninja mode.
I got hard light afterburner. So my utility skill, which is my shift, has 2 charges now. No, 3 charges. I can sprint 3 times.
Oh, a lunar thing.
Is it over there, guys?
I don't think.
Wait, what?
No, it's not here.
I got now lunar coin things. Now get gold on hit.
That's fucking awesome.
Really good.
I lose gold when getting hit.
That's not it.
No! I lost all the gold I needed. Oh no! Wow, but it racks up pretty good actually. Don't need that.
What?
I don't need that equipment.
Oh. Well, it's the same thing that we were doing.
I'm trying to find it, but I can't see it.
Gold certainly racks up fast. Oh, here it is.
You found it?
Yeah. Oh, oh. Well, there we go.
There you are.
Okay.
Oh! I didn't see it.
There's enemies in the way. I can't move.
Oh god, 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 oh god. get out of combat.
These balls are bullshit.
Oh, that's what's hurting me, yeah.
I don't know how to dodge them.
Oh my god, there's 3 guys with Gatling guns here trying to fuck me up.
And now the ball's coming from the other side. Wonderful. Okay, I'm dead.
Oh shit.
I don't know what to do about those balls. They just roll around the corners.
Do we just have 1 more, guys?
There's 2 more.
Where's the other one?
Right beside you or behind you?
Oh, he's behind me. I didn't see him. I'm dead.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
What a run.
That was good.
It wasn't easy though.
Yeah, but still.
Damage dealt. Almost 400,000.
The lone survivor.
44 minutes. It's like a game of League.
Oh, cool. Item unlocked.
I suppose I'm not going shopping today.
Well, I need to go buy food, so.
And I need to go to work.
Work?
Well, I need to drive there for a bit, at least.
Alright.
Alright. Well, I'll see you guys when I'm back.
Alright,
Yeah.
See ya.
see you.
Bye.